So here, 2010 Dodge Journey. So we're going to replace the transmission. So just a quick tip: you don't need to remove the whole subframe. So here's the transfer case. Just take out the 2 bolts here and the 2 bolts upstairs and the bracket. It's right there. So and 1 bolt right here. So what I did with this one is I use a long extension going into the back. There's a space right there from the back. So with the long extension, so you can get that bolt size 18. So it's a quick tip for you if you're going to replace your transmission for Dodge Journey 2010 3.5 all-wheel drive. Okay, so hope it can save you a lot of time. So we don't remove also the propeller. Propeller is also intact. We didn't touch it, so we just remove only the the muffler, the exhaust, sorry, not the muffler, the exhaust. So everything is in there. So hope it will help you. So there's the transmission just right there. All right, thank you for watching.